Want to make your day easy? Here's the answer. CubeScan Bladder Scanner. The CubeScan Bladder Scanner is the optimized clinical solution for CAUTI prevention and bladder dysfunction. Accurate scanning regardless of gender, age, disease leads to quick and simple workflow. Industry-first live pre-scan imaging and bladder point targeting make it easier than ever to find the bladder. Let's take a look at how to use the BioCon-700. Make sure the patient lie in the supine position. Press the power button until the screen turns on. Select the appropriate patient type. There are 3 types: male, female, and child. The male has to be selected for the female patient who had a hysterectomy. Apply the gel on the probe head. Palpate the pubic bone. Draw an imaginary line that extends from the navel to the pubic bone and place the probe on the patient's abdomen 3 to 5 centimeters above the top of the pubic bone. Hold the probe following the body diagram on the top of it. Press the scan button on the probe or touch the scan icon on the pre-scan screen. Place the probe from the target location towards the bladder and slowly raise up until you find the biggest area of the bladder. Please make sure the probe should be lifted only up to 90 degrees from the abdomen. During the pre-scan, the bladder point and green line will help to get an accurate measurement. Ensure to locate the green line and bladder point in the center of bladder. Once you have the probe position in the optimal position, press the scan button again. Hold the probe steady until the scan is completed. After the scan, the measurement can be evaluated by the aiming information. The closer bladder image to the center, the better the result. Followings are example of wrong measurement. The result can't be guaranteed in these cases. Do not move the probe side to side. Do not lift the probe until the scan is completed. Do not tilt the probe over 90 degrees. Place the probe in the optimal position. If you need to rescan, simply press the scan button again. Press the print icon to print out the result. Tap the blank of the tag to enter the patient data, and press Save icon to save the scan. To perform another measurement, press the New Patient icon. Pre-scan and bladder point. The live image of pre-scan and bladder point leads to the short scan time. Auto-correction technology. By using 3D volume estimation modeling, bladder volume is accurately calculated even in case of off-center scans. Big-sized touchscreen. A 7-inch size touchscreen and user-friendly interface provides the optimal usability. Self-diagnostics. Save the maintenance time and cost by detailed managing of device through the self-diagnostics. Prevention of infection. The probe is designed for the effective cleaning against contamination and residue of disinfectant. Data transmission. The saved information can be transferred to EMR system. Experience reference scanner. Practice ease of scanning. Comfort is confidence.